Hello, I'm Stephen Watson here at Deep River Landing in Deep River, Connecticut with today's Tàijíquán Tip. Today's tip is to consider the class outline that has come down to you through your lineage, your school, your teacher. So, it might be warm-ups, followed by tween-off, followed by drills, followed by form, followed by free weapon play or something. Whatever it is, you probably have a sort of default, probably standardized sequence. And I'd like you just to consider how that sequence came to be, why it's in that order. Secondly, consider, would you, if you had to build from scratch your own sequence, would the sequence vary? Would the components of the class vary? Would you de-emphasize or delete something? Would you add something or re-emphasize something? I occasionally think of that when I do an exercise and I think, oh, why don't I do that in every class? I really like that one. That would really serve some need. But, I have my default, like I think most students in classes and teachers do. Thirdly, it'd be nice to consider how you might build a sequence, for a class based on particular needs, right? Would I build a different sequence for a class of MS students? Would I build a different sequence for a class in which people had arthritis, in which people had digestive issues, for people with ataxia? Would I build a different class for kids, et cetera, et cetera? So just to consider that. And then, maybe fourthly, maybe change your default class recipe. Maybe not, maybe it's fine, but maybe you change it. Maybe you write it up and it's never been written up. So thank you very much, and get out there and practice. Be seen practicing. Thank you.
Thanks for showing your support for today's Tàijíquán tip. Tips really go a long way, and if you can't afford to help financially, comment, subscribe, share, and like, and all that stuff. To be in touch with me, go to my Linktree, Someday Farm. Thank you.